It has been a pretty quiet day weather-wise for us, certainly very warm. We've had a nice mix of sun and clouds, but I want to focus your attention out west because that's where we have our next weather maker, and it's a very potent one. It is bringing snow on the northern end from Wisconsin all the way to the west towards South Dakota, and on the southern end, that's where we're going to be tracking some showers and thunderstorms. Those storms could really pack a punch from Texas north into Missouri here as we head throughout the course of this evening. But for us here at home for now, all is quiet. Don't be surprised as we head throughout the course of the evening to see some isolated or spotty showers and or thunder showers developing. But again, the key word there is isolated. Not everybody will see them. I do want to show you that by 10, 11 midnight, there will be, I think, at least some spotty activity that we're going to be tracking. OK, it's going to be random as far as where these showers and thunderstorms develop. But you need to know they're still going to be pretty isolated, which means some of us get wet. Others will stay dry. As we continue to go through time, once we get beyond 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, we're going to start to dry out, and Tuesday starts quiet. Tuesday will start with skies partly to mostly cloudy. I do think that much of the daylight hours on Tuesday are relatively quiet for all of us, okay? It's when the sun goes down when the chance for rain and thunderstorms starts to creep up. This is around 9, 10, 11 o'clock, and we're going to have some showers and thunderstorms extending from the highlands south into the NRV. What's west eventually pushes east, so we're going to see that activity start to move towards Lynchburg and south side as we head into Tuesday night. On Wednesday morning, we're going to have some rain around at daybreak, maybe even a couple of rumbles of thunder. There could even be a little bit of spin in these cells on Wednesday morning, but I am cautiously optimistic that by mid to late afternoon on Wednesday, these showers and thunderstorms with the front will go away, and then we're going to have some wraparound moisture in the form of a few rain and or snow showers towards the mountains, really beginning again late Wednesday and lasting into the day on Thursday. We're going to have a northwest flow, which means, yes, we're going to have some snow showers as we head late Wednesday into Thursday, and this is going to be an event that brings quite a bit of snow into places like Snowshoe. They could see several inches of snow at Snowshoe. White Top, Mount Rogers could see at least a couple of inches of snow. Again, we're looking at most of this falling Wednesday night into Thursday, but the west slopes may continue to see that chance for at least some snow showers all the way through Saturday. OK, so we're very warm right now, but by week's end, we do turn much, much colder, such that by Thursday morning, lows are going to fall between 35 and 40. By Saturday morning, overnight lows 31 to 35. Summer-like outside now, feeling like winter later this week. There could be even some frost Thursday morning and Friday morning in the mountains. By Saturday morning, frost could be a little more widespread. So please, I know you're probably wanting to plant. You're like, I got spring fever. I got summer fever. It's so warm outside. Don't plant just yet, okay? The average last freeze in Lynchburg and in Danville is around April 9th. The average last freeze in Roanoke is April 13th. In Blacksburg, it's April the 30th. Hard to believe we're talking about freezes when we are looking at temperatures right now in the lower 80s in Roanoke and Lynchburg, low to mid 80s in Martinsville and Danville, 70s in the NRV. For tonight, we're going to have a couple of showers and thunderstorms around. Very warm outside, going to, I think, really start to turn pretty cloudy too. Overnight lows tonight in the 50s and lower 60s. 3-day zone by zone forecast. In the NRV, Tuesday 78, dropping to 45 on Thursday. In the Highlands, a good chance for rain and thunderstorms late Tuesday through Wednesday morning. And in Southside, your nicest day over the next couple of days may actually be Thursday, but at that point in time, again, it's going to be pretty windy and it's going to be pretty chilly. In Lynchburg, we go from 80 Tuesday to 54 Friday, back up to 70 next Monday. And then across the Roanoke Valley, we have that good chance for rain and thunderstorms here late Tuesday through midday Wednesday, maybe ending around 1, 2 o'clock in the Roanoke Valley Wednesday afternoon. Slight chance for some very light precipitation Thursday and Friday, but I'm thinking that the bulk of that activity Thursday and Friday is going to stay towards the west slopes. Overall, the weekend doesn't look too bad. Never too early to look at that, right, John? 57 Saturday, 66 on Sunday.